In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram to your Squarespace website. Let's get started and walk through this together step by step. You'll find that connecting your Instagram to your Squarespace site is a great way to showcase your social media presence and engage with your website visitors. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're logged in and have your site open, navigate to the editor interface. It's a user-friendly tool that allows you to make all sorts of customizations to your site, and this includes integrating various social media platforms like Instagram. Now, look for the option to add a new block to your page. Adding a block is the way you integrate different functionalities into your Squarespace website. Click on the ADD block button. This will bring up a variety of block options that you can include on your page. Notice all the diverse content possibilities Squarespace offers, from text and images to more dynamic elements like a social media feed. Next, you'll want to locate and click on Instagram from the selection. This choice will allow you to insert your Instagram feed directly into the page as a block. It's here where you set up the connection between Squarespace and your Instagram account, enabling your latest posts to be displayed seamlessly on your site. Once you've added the Instagram block, click on Edit. This will open up the configuration settings for this block. Within these settings, you have the opportunity to modify how your Instagram feed appears on your website, including the layout and style that best matches your overall site design. Now, it's time to specify which Instagram account you want to link. Click on Choose an Account. If this is your first time adding Instagram, or if you want to link a new one, proceed by clicking on Add Account. Here, you'll be prompted to log into your Instagram account. Make sure you're entering the correct credentials to link your account securely. Connecting your Instagram account allows your feed to update automatically each time you post, ensuring your website displays your most recent content. Once you've logged in successfully and linked your account, remember to save your changes. Click on the Save button. This last step ensures that all your settings are applied and that your visitors can now view your Instagram feed right there on your site. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate Instagram into your Squarespace website. With your Instagram posts now displayed, you add a dynamic and engaging touch to your website, keeping visitors connected to your brand both on-site and on social media platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.